This smoothie is actually really filling. Like whenever I have it, I'm full for 4 or 5 hours because there's so much fiber in it. So we're going to chop up an apple. And usually I use green apples for this, but you can use any kind that you like. And things don't have to be like super chopped because it's just gonna blend it. We're gonna add in 2 stalks of celery that I washed. And then I got a cucumber here. We got some pineapple, frozen pineapple, and then a bunch of greens. If you guys struggle with like making breakfast before work, I would highly recommend having a smoothie like this, because once you get used to having a smoothie, you'll realize like how filling it is and your body just kind of gets used to it. Like if you have a really heavy breakfast every morning, your body's gonna always like expect like a really heavy style breakfast. So it just takes a little bit of adjustment. Ever since I started drinking juice, like I'm really not hungry until like noon or so. And then I'll have more of a substantial breakfast because I really don't like snacking. And it's one of the things that I kind of teach people in our meal plan community is if you can get out of the habit of snacking, it'll be so much easier for you to get to your ideal body weight, just because of the fact that like most snacks are not healthy. Like if you're really genuinely hungry and you're having an apple or something as a snack, it's totally fine. But if you're snacking on like pretzels and stuff that, you know, like even crackers with hummus or guacamole or something like that, like it's just really easy to get overstimulated and like always want something like salty or something like that. So we're gonna add a cup of soy milk into here, and then I'm just gonna blend this up. Here's our delicious green smoothie. It's super creamy. If you guys have never tried putting milk in your smoothies, I highly recommend it. This smoothie is just like full of veggies, and it is definitely my go-to, especially when I'm really, really busy.